So firstly, you can draw circle, faint circle. First, you can draw faint circle. After that, one horizontal and vertical line. Okay. Radius of circle should be equal to the side of hexagon. Then you can put one of the end of compass on horizontal line. You can mark two arcs. Similarly, you can put one of the end in other end of horizontal line, mark two arcs and join all these 6 points. You will get hexagon, and you can give names to this. Okay. So likewise, so while drawing, only hexagon should be dark. Remaining construction work should be faint. That is not our aim. What is our aim is to draw true shape of hexagon. True shape of hexagon. That should be dark. Remaining should be very faint. Okay. Not necessary to erase also. Let it be faint. Okay. Shall we go next now? What is our aim? What to do now?
Projection line.
Projection line.
Again, we have to go projection line. We have to draw projection line. Now, one most important care we have to take here. What is that? So let us draw this one. There will be one projector line. So you check with cross check with yourself whether point B and F are coming on one of the projector line. It should come on one projector line.
No, sir.
B and F not coming on one projector line.
Yes, sir. They are coming.
Yes, sir, coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It should come. Then only your drawing it accurate. If it is not coming, means you have committed mistake. Maybe while drawing vertical horizontal line, there is a variation. There should be only unique one line passing from B and F, C and E. Only one line should be there. Is it coming? You can cross check with yourself. I cannot cross check now, or I cannot check. You check with yourself. Is it coming?
Yes,
Only
sir.
one line?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then give names to all the points. Give name. Here there will be point A, B and F. Here there will be C and E. Here there will be point D.
D.
This way you can give name. Very simple. D, C and E. Then here there will be B and F, B, F, and point A. Already it is there. So likewise you can give name. Okay. Then line view or edge view you can draw. You can join point A to D. All the points which are in between. You can join it. You join it in this way. That should be dark. Huh? Line view or edge view. It should be dark. Now what do we have to do now? Who will tell?
Inclination.
Take point and draw the inclination.
Inclination. With whom inclination is given?
With VP.
VP.
Where it will be observed that inclination
HP.
In HP.
HP.
in HP means below XY line. So here you can select one random point. Here you can select one random point. From that point, you have to draw one line. From that point, you have to draw one line, making how much angle?
45.
45.
It is given 45. So from this, you can draw one line. Okay. Sorry. In this way. Okay. In this way, how much this angle should be?
45.
45.
45.
degree.
Should be 45. Now, which point we have drawn in, or which corner of the hexagon right now? It is in VP or on VP.
A.
A, because which corner we have drawn towards left hand side
A.
for this hexagon? A, means that A should be on XY line. That point A should be on XY line. Okay, it is something like this. A. And remaining point, by making use of compass. By making use of compass, you can mark remaining point. By making the use of compass, you can mark remaining all points. Okay, so mark all points on that line, 45-degree line. You can mark all points. Mark all the points. So here I have marked that points also. So you can also mark by using compass. Something like this. I have marked that points. Okay. And you can give name to that point also. Same names here, whatever it is there. Up to this, okay. So point you have to mark. Simply you have to mark points. Up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
What to do now next?
Projection lines.
Projection lines.
Vertically upward.
Vertically upward, you have to draw now projection line. Very simple. Projection lines. Now you have to draw vertically upward. Okay. In this way. Vertically upward here. Then from this. Okay, in this way. Then again from this. Again from this. Okay, in this way. You can give projection line. For your information, if you want to know how you have given projection line, you can show arrow. You can show the arrow also. In this way, you can show arrow. Similarly, how we can take now? We want to mark points here. Again, how we can mark? How we can mark?
Horizontal projection lines.
Horizontal projection line. Again, you can take horizontal projection line. Again, from this, in this way. Actually, D and C, so where it will come up to here, up to point C. Then A and D, it should be on again one line, only one projector line. You check again. You cross check with yourself. Is it coming only one, or is it coming some many more? Yep, and it is up to here, and you have to mark point now. You have to mark point. So for your information, how we have taken in this way. While taking horizontal projection lines, is it coming Only 3 projection lines or more projection lines?
Three.
Only 3 should come.
Only
You check
three.
now whether point B and C are only on one horizontal projector line. ते का लक्षात? का तुमच्या दोन येतात, B ची वेगळी आणि C ची वेगळी येते का प्रोजेक्टर लाईन? Is it coming only one?
Only one, sir.
It should come only one. Huh? Projection line
Yes,
of
sir.
A and D, it should come only one. Projection line of F and E, it should come only one. If it is coming two, then accuracy is missing or you are not drawing accurately. Now what we have to do? We have to locate the point. We have to locate the point. So only you have to see projection line, nothing else. There is no rocket science in this, or there is no difficult thing in this to locate point. Suppose I want to locate point A dash. I want to locate point A dash. I have to see both projector line of A, point A dash and A. I have to locate. So where will be point will come? A dash. Where it will come?
Middle.
Middle.
A and A dash, B dash.
Combination or intersection of A dash and A. Point B dash. Point B dash. Where it will come? Again, it will come somewhere here. B dash. Then C dash. Combination of or intersection of these points. Then which will be next point? D dash. Intersection of projection line of D and D dash. Very simple. In this way. Then E dash, point E dash we have to locate. Where it is, we have to see. Here E dash. And last one is F dash. Last one is F dash. So it will be here. Now 6 points we got. 6 points we got. Okay. So what we have to do? Are you drawing projection lines and locating point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, locate the point, and once you have located point, you can let me know you have located. Please locate the point by taking projection, intersection of projection lines. Neha Jagtap, have you located points? Jagtap,
Yes, sir.
located?
Yes, sir.
How many points located?
6.
6 points. Now what is our next task?
Join these 6 points.
Joining of these 6 points. Very good. Just we have to now join these 6 points. Okay, shall I join?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will join now these 6 points. And it should be dark because it is final view. So while joining, you can make use of dark line. You can join with dark line. So from A to this B dash, then C dash, then D dash, E dash, F dash, and this. So likewise, you can join. So are you observing whatever right now I have drawn hexagon? Is it true shape of? Is it regular shape or apparent shape of hexagon? Looking to that,
Apparent shape.
Apparent shape.
it is apparent shape. So and you can measure many times. So I should not tell, but in class, many times apparent shape of hexagon is sometimes it is pentagon. So it should not happen. It should have 6 sides. असं क्लासमध्ये बऱ्याच ठिकाणी व्हायचं. Hexagonचा apparent shape हा pentagon येतो. It should not happen. You check or you can measure how many sides it has. It should have 6. 6 आहेत का बघा, क्रॉस चेक करा. because number
Yes,
of points are going to come. It should have 6 sides. Okay, it should not happen. Apparent shape of hexagon is pentagon. It should not happen. Huh? Okay, so join all the points. And after joining, let me know you have joined the points. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is our problem. Very simple. So you can give where is the true shape, where is apparent shape. So what was new thing we have learned in this problem? Which new thing we have learned in this problem?
to draw hexagon.
How to draw hexagon. That one thing we have learned. How to draw hexagon, nothing else. Shall we cross check with ourselves? So shall we measure the length, any length of hexagon, and let us check our accuracy. Out of this apparent shape hexagon, let us select one random edge and let us cross check with ourselves. कुठली बाजू घेऊया आपण आणि मोजून बघूया सगळ्यांची सारखी येते का वेगळे वेगळे येते. Which side we will take? When there is a problem of accuracy, nobody is replying.
2.
घ्यायची.
A dash to B dash.
Okay, A dash to B dash. Okay, you measure and you tell your answer. कोण म्हणतो A dash to B dash घ्यायची? तुम्ही मोजा आणि तुमची सांगा आधी किती आली.
2.9 sir.
2.9.
29.
28, sir.
28.
Yes, sir.
28.
28.
28, sir.
29.
28.
29 sir.
28.
28 and 29 is answer. Let us see. Very good. So 20 is accurate. No issue. If at all you got 29, okay. 29 is also okay. It is also correct. So anybody got apart from this? Sorali Joshi, how much you got?
29, sir. 29.
No issue. 29 also okay. So accurately it is 28. So these 6 problems or such problems are two stage problem. First stage will be true shape. Second step is inclination with one of the reference plane. Actually, core part of this chapter is to 3 stage problem. So what will be third stage? Same. Now these 2 stage will be repeated. And what will be third step? Inclination with another plane. Inclination with another reference plane. Right now, it is given. It is given inclination with one reference plane. That's why we have limited for inclination with one reference plane. But in case of third stage or third stage, second inclination will be given. Are you observing here? Given thing. So here inclination with one of the reference plane was only given in all the problems. If you will see in your notebook, you will come to know that inclination with only one reference plane is given in all cases. In all cases. But hereafter, inclination with 2 reference planes will be given. Inclination with 2 reference planes will be given. So one more step will be there. So such problems are called as 3-stage problem. There will be 3 steps. So right now there are only 2. This one is 1. True shape is 1. Inclination with one of the reference plane is second. This one is second. Now we are going to see here third step, something like this. Here there will be third step, inclination with second reference plane. So one most important thing we have to see here. So in fact, whatever inclination is given, it is true inclination. In general, it is true inclination. But now hereafter, while inclinations are given, these angles are given, you have to check whether these angles are true angles or apparent angle. That we have to check hereafter. It is not applicable for 2 stage, but it is applicable for 3 stage. It is required in third stage, not in second stage. It is required in third stage. There you have to think whether that angle is true angle or apparent angle, or whatever inclination was given, is it for true length or it is for apparent length. That we have to see. now in upcoming problem. That's why that concept now will come. True on line of true angle, true length will be there on the angle of apparent length, apparent angle, apparent length likewise. So again it will be very simple. So whether this is over, whether this problem is over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So shall we go third stage of three stage problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go now three stage problem. Now here you have to be very careful in such problems. Just check. Is it possible for you to read the problem statement? Can anybody read? Can anybody read? Who will take opportunity to read? This is one kind of opportunity. Who will take opportunity to read? Are you observing problem statement? Sudarshan Mote. Are you there? Sudarshan Mote. Yogesh 33.
Yes, sir.
Will you read the problem statement?
Okay, sir. An isosceles triangle ABC have its base is 40 mm and height is 60 mm is resting on the HP on its base AB. Draw the projection of plane when its surface is inclined to HP at angle of 45 degree and the base AB which is on the HP is making an angle 50 degree to VP.
Okay. So these angles are most important now. So there will be a problem statement. So I will give 1 minute to read. All of you, please read the problem statement. So which type of plane is given in this problem?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. Okay. ABC. Again, name with the name it is given. With the name it is given. In all earlier problem, name of the plane was not given, but here name of the plane is also given. ABC. Having its base 40 mm and height 60 mm is resting on the HP. Where is the plane? On which reference plane this particular isosceles triangle lies? On the
On HP.
on HP. So this word where it is lying on the HP. What is the kind of plane? Isosceles triangular plane. Where it is lying on the HP. How it is lying? How it is lying?
On its base.
On its base. How it is lying? Here it is on its base AB. Means it is on the base AB. Means while drawing true shape. Now I will ask where to draw true shape, in HP or in VP?
In HP.
In HP. Where to draw its true shape? In front view or in top view?
Top view.
Top, yes, sir.
view.
Top view, because plane is lying in HP. That's why we have to draw its true shape in top view or HP. Where to draw base? Towards left hand side or towards right hand side?
Left hand side.
Hand side.
Towards left hand side. We have to draw its base AB towards left hand side. Up to this any problem? Up to this any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Further now. Further problem statement you can see. Draw the projections of plane. Draw the projection of the plane when it's a surface. Surface means what? Surface.
Plane.
Surface, lamina or plane. One and the same. Draw the projection of plane when its surface is inclined to HP at an angle of 45 degree. So inclination with HP. What is our notation?
Theta.
theta, true inclination again. So that is theta. So I have written already. It is 45 degree HP, and the base AB, which is on the HP, is making an angle of 50 degree. Inclination with VP. Inclination with VP.
Phi.
What name we are giving?
Phi.
Phi.
Phi. So that is again phi. So if at all again while solving the problem, as it is to length or its length is changing. If it is changing, then here we have to say, we might have said it is a beta, but it is not, it will not change length. That's why I have written phi. We will see. So shall we start this problem?
Yes.
You draw first XY line. So three-stage problem. First three-stage problem. First three-stage problem. So let us draw again. First stage will be common, drawing of true shape. Okay. So how much base is given? Shall we draw togetherly? How much base is given?
40 mm.
40 mm. Okay. So from where we have to take height? Height
Middle.
where we have from the
Middle.
center in this way 60. 60 it is given, no?
Yes, sir.
60, and then you can join it. So from this to this, this to this. Okay, and you can give dimension. How much that base should be?
40.
And this will be 60. Okay. So this I will remove meanwhile. So I will give name here. So this base. So this will be one of the base. We will say. Then AB means side AB in this way, and here there will be point C dash. Not C dash, C. So here there will be point C. Here there will be point, already it is A. Sorry. A. And here there will be B. Point B. Okay. Any problem? Have you drawn up to this much? One question I will ask here.
Yes, sir.
One simple question I will ask to a particular student. So let me know your understanding. Okay. So I will select one random student. Shubham, 58. Are you there? 58. Roll number
Yes,
58.
sir. Yes, sir.
आहेत का? माझा असा क्वेश्चन आहे इन मराठी I will ask. Why I have not drawn this isosceles triangle like this? मी असा का काढला नाही isosceles triangle?
It resting on base and resting surface always drawn left side.
Very good. Very nice. 100% correct. Because it is in problem statement, it is given like it is resting on base. So that base should be drawn towards left hand side. Very nice. Okay, thank you. So up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
Now, next, what we have to do? Very simple.
Projection line.
Projection.
We have to draw projection line now. Let us draw projection line. So from here, projection line. Again from here, projection line. Okay, and give names to that. Give names to that. So this point will be C dash. This point will be
A dash, B dash.
Yes.
C dash, B dash. So here I will not tell now. projection line of point A and B, it should be one. It should be unique one, only one. It should not come to projection line again. Huh? That logic you should have at this stage. So line view or edge view, that name you can give here. Line view or edge view. So here, if you want to give edge view or line view, that you can give. In this way. Okay. Up to this first step. What is the first step in general? First step काय असते आपले? What is our first
To
step?
draw true shape.
To draw true shape. That is our first step always. So that is our first step always. So we have started with the HP. We have drawn its front view on XY line. Now next, what is our
Inclination.
what to do now next?
Inclination.
Inclination.
Inclination. With whom now inclination we can give? With is it with HP or is it with PP? पुन्हा बरोबर द्यायचं आता दोन inclination आहेत आपल्याकडे. We are having right now two inclinations.
With HP.
With HP, sir.
Huh?
With HP.
With HP means whatever edge view or line view we got, that we have to rotate. Whatever edge view or line view we got, that we have to rotate. Getting? That we have to rotate. So let us rotate now that view. How we can rotate? काय करायचं आता? Simple. Here I will select one random point. Okay. Here, how much inclination is there with the HP?
45.
45.
So I can draw a line. Maybe now this length is known to me. So if at all I will draw that line, at all I will draw that line of, suppose it is a 60. Likewise. Okay, so this will be in this way 45. So which point will be there? Here A dash B dash, correct. Which point will be there at the end?
C dash.
Which
C.
point will be there? Here there will be point C dash, correct. So line view only we have rotated, or we have given inclination. We can say I have given here inclination. I have given here inclination, nothing else. I have given simply inclination. Okay. After this, what is our next step?
Projection line.
To draw projection line. Here we want to draw now projection line. How we can draw? Vertically?
Downward.
Vertically downward. Vertically downward. Okay. Similarly, horizontally towards left or towards right?
Towards right.
Towards right. Horizontally towards right. Horizontally towards right in this way. Okay. And then, so if you want to know how I have drawn this projection line, maybe in this way. Okay. And I can give here point. Let us mark point. Even also, these projection lines are something like this. Okay. Then we can mark the point. Let us mark the point. Mark this point. Then mark point B. I have marked just now point C. Then mark point A. Mark point A. Okay. Then what we have to do? Simply
Join.
we have to join it. And how it should be joined? Dark line or faint line?
Dark line.
Dark line. We have to join it by dark line. In this way. We have to join it by dark line. Okay. Up to this you complete. This is our second stage. So whatever shape we got, how it will be?
Apparent shape.
It will be apparent shape. Okay. So up to this we have solved many problems. So let us cross check. Shall we cross check our accuracy?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the height? What is the height of that triangle in apparent shape?
40.
The height of
40.
40.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other?
Yes, sir.
40.
40.
41, sir.
42, sir.
40.
41.
Exactly, it is coming 42. Exactly, it is coming 42. If you got 40, no issue. One we can understand that. Exactly, it is coming 42. So, okay, 41 okay, 42 exactly correct, 40 also okay. No issue. So up to this okay. After this now, what it is told? Sorry. After this, what it is told? One inclination we have given with the HP. One inclination we have
VP.
given with the HP. Now
VP,
what is
sir.
our task? Now we have to give inclination with
VP.
VP.
inclination with VP. Now we have to give inclination. Okay. So how much it is given with the VP?
50 degree.
50 degree.
50 degree. It is given 50 degree with the VP. Okay. So now whose inclination it is? कोण इन्क्लाइंड आहे असं सांगितलंय व्हीपी ला 50 डिग्री मधून बेस
Base.
बेस बेस ए बी ओके नाउ इन फर्स्ट स्टेप and second stage, first stage and second stage, whether length is remaining same or it is changing. एबीची जी काय लेंथ आहे ती
Same,
पहिल्या
sir.
स्टेज मध्ये आणि दुसऱ्या स्टेज मध्ये सेम आहे का डिफरंट आहे?
Same.
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 If it is same angle, as it is true angle you have to take. It is a true angle. It is true inclination. If the length is not changing, means as it is you have to take as it is, no issue. Now our task is now in this third stage, our task is to rotate this apparent shape. Only this is our task. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, तो apparent shape आहे that we want to rotate. येते का लक्षात बघा मी काय म्हणतो? Only we want to rotate this so that AB should make 50 degree with VP. Choice is yours. Choice is yours. How you are going to rotate? Choice तुमच्याकडे आहे आता. Only you have to rotate this so that this line base AB will make 50 degree angle with VP. Choice is yours. Whether that point C will come towards, it will come upward, it will come downward, no issue. But line AB should make, or base AB should make how much angle with VP?
50 degree.
50.
How much?
50.
50 degree.
50
50
degree.
degree. Our aim is to make this base AB should make 50 degree with 50. That's all. That is only our aim. So you can draw here one line either in this way, 50 degree, or in this way 50 degree. इकडून इकडे काढा किंवा इकडून इकडे काढा. Both are same. Only you have to mark this here. हा व्ह्यू फक्त रोटेट करा. This view only you want to rotate. In second view, only your aim is to rotate this view, nothing else. So if you want to rotate in, suppose this triangle ABC, suppose you want to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So this point C may go above XY. Above XY la jail to point. That's why let us rotate this in clockwise direction. Whether it will be okay. You can rotate that in clockwise direction. So what I will do here, I will rotate in this. It will be okay. Suppose here I will draw one line. Maybe suppose 100. How much it is given? 50, no? Sorry. This will be 90, no? So here it should make so if it is you are making like this, no issue. Suppose you will make something like this, again it is no issue. Means this angle should be
50
how
degree.
much it should be? How much it should be? 50.
50.
No issue. If at all you are going to make angle like this in this way. Okay, so try to manage the space. Huh? Because I will make something like this here. ऐसा करो. And this angle is 50. This angle is 50 in this way. Now this apparent shape, that yellow colored apparent shape only we have to draw on this line. आपल्याला फक्त हा apparent shape इथं काढायचा आहे by taking help of compass. By taking again help of compass, we have to draw that shape. Means here you can select one random edge. What is its base? 40. Maybe something like this. Okay. So line. Maybe here. This base here I have drawn. So something other color I will use so that you will come to know that. So in this way. So here you can give name as A. Here you can give name as A. Here you can give. Here you can give name as B. A and B. Likewise. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to locate point C. How you are going to locate point C? Either this side or this side. Either here or here. How you are going to locate point C? Who will tell? Point C locate कसा करणार आता?
सर ए आणि बी ला बेस मानायचा आणि 60 डिग्रीचा म्हणजे 60 सेंटीमीटर कंपास मध्ये हे घेऊन आर्क मारायचे दोन.
60 का घ्यायचं? 60 का घ्यायचं? 60 चा काय संबंध?
हाईट
संपलं तो ट्रू शेप आहे. आता आपल्याला अपेरेंट शेप मार्क करायचा सेकंड स्टेज मधला. आता फर्स्ट स्टेप विसरायची. सेकंड स्टेप मधला शेप इथं काढायचा आपल्याला.
सर सेकंड स्टेजची हाईट जेवढी 42 ती घ्यायची आणि
कंपास मध्ये काय करणार तुम्ही? ए टू सी एवढं अंतर घेणार. बी इक्वल असेल बी आणि सी आणि ए आणि सी इक्वल असेल का? आहे. ए टू सी अँड बी टू सी इक्वल आहे का? इट शुड बी इक्वल. आहे का बघा बरं तुमच्या अपॅरेंट शेप मध्ये डिस्टन्स ए टू सी अँड बी टू सी इट शुड बी इक्वल.
Yes, sir.
Then you can take that distance in your compass. Take center as point A. Mark one arc. Then take center as point B. Mark that one arc. Intersection of these two arcs will be which point? कुठला पॉइंट असेल?
C.
पॉइंट C. आणि तो मार्क करायचा आणि जोडून घ्यायची ABC. So triangle ABC will form. Mark it. येते का लक्षात मी काय म्हटलं? तुम्हाला डिस्टन्स घ्यायचा आहे. कुठलं डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं आहे? A to C आणि B to C. In my case it is 47. You take in compass. Huh? You please take in your compass how much it is. So you may get confused. Huh? So that's why I will mark circles and I will join these points, this to this and again this to this. So just for your information I will retain that. Huh? Is it coming something like this? काय केलं कोण सांगता येतं? What is our condition that base is making 50 degree with the VP? कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाली का आपली? बेस कुठला आहे ट्रायंगलचा?
AB.
बेस ए बी आहे. बेस ए बी आता या थर्ड स्टेप मध्ये 50 डिग्री अँगल करतोय का व्हीपी ला?
Yes, sir.
Is it doing 50 degree angle?
Yes, sir.
लक्ष द्या. Are you drawing with me? Are you with me?
येस
काय
सर.
चाललंय समजतंय का? Means second condition we have satisfied here. Second condition, the inclination of base with VP is 50 degree. That we have satisfied here. Are you getting? So this all construction work. I will make some other color. And this. Will be something like this. Up to this, have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next. Again, this will be apparent shape only. Yeah? This is again apparent shape only. Now next, what we have to do? आता काय करायचं? Projection line. Now we have to draw again projection line. How? Vertically upward.
Upward.
Vertically upward. Draw projection line vertically upward. Draw projection line vertically upward. So from point C. From point C, vertical line. Okay. Then from point A, vertical line. From point B, vertical line. In this way. Okay. Draw with me. Vertical line. Similarly, काढलं का vertical line? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, horizontal projection line from the earlier view. इकडून horizontal projection line काढायची. Already this A dash B dash is on XY line. If all you want, you can. तरी पण काढायची असेल काढू शकता. In this way, if at all you want, you can draw in this way. So for your information again, how we have drawn these lines. It is something like this projection line. Again, now only we have to locate the point, nothing else. Only we have to locate the point. Maybe this here. Maybe here something. Now locate the point. Only we have to locate the point, nothing else. Now we have to locate the point. How we are going to locate point? C dash. Let us locate point C dash. Here there will be point C dash. Where will be point A dash and B dash? In earlier view, it was on XY line.
XY.
Now, XY line. Now where it will come in this view? It will take projection of this line. It will be
Intersection
along
of A dash and A.
intersection of A dash and
A dash and A.
A.
A dash and A. So maybe suppose here. So this will be
A
A
dash.
dash. And similarly, Similarly, point B dash also. So you can locate that also. Here there will be point B dash. Point B dash. Okay. Now we got A dash, B dash, and C dash. What to do now?
Join.
Join.
Join these points A dash, B dash, and C dash. We have to join. Okay. Join it. Sorry. Point B. Here is point B. C dash to this and this to this. Are you getting? So whether your line AB is remaining on XY.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Whether your point or base AB is remaining on XY. It should remain on XY in final view. It should remain on XY in final view. राहते का XY मध्ये कारण आपलं प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंटच असं म्हणतोय. Isosceles triangle ABC having its base 40 and 60 is resting on the HP. On its base म्हणजे हे प्लेन कुठं आहे? Base AB resting on HP means till the final. In final view, it should remain on XY only. Base AB, it should remain XY. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
येते का लक्षात? A little difficult, we can say, or time consuming. Instead of difficult, I will say time consuming. The process is time consuming. It will take time. So two-stage problem. This was the first stage having true shape. Okay, what I have told. Inclination with one of the reference plane. How much inclination and with whom inclination given in second stage? In this stage, how much inclination and with whom it is given in second stage?
With HP 45 degree.
Very good. With HP 45 degree inclination is given. Next, in this stage, with whom and how much inclination is given?
With VP and 50 degree.
Very good. With VP 50 degree. Whose inclination was given in this stage?
Base.
Base AB. It is given with base AB. Likewise. Okay. In this way, we have drawn this. Have you understood three-stage problem? First problem of three-stage. Now core part of this chapter is started. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you understood any problem? This is the main core part of this chapter. Such problems are there in here. Have you taken screenshot or have you drawn? Shall we cross check ourselves in third stage?
Yes, sir.
Which length we will take in cross check? Last view. Here in this view, which length we will take? A dash C dash, which is lengthy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you measure and tell how much it is. So I will ask Avinash 62. What is A dash C dash length in third stage? Here, third stage. Avinash Salgar 62. What is A dash C dash length in third stage? सांगा बरं बघू. Avinash.
1 minute, sir.
Mali. Shilpa Mali. How much it is? 70.
45.
45. Okay. Aditya, how much it is? A dash C dash in third stage? Aditya Wagmare, 69. How much it is?
63.
69, 63. Lot of difference is there. Why? How much it is? Aditya, your
63.
okay, 100% correct. 62 is accurate. Any other? Avinash?
62 sir.
C dash B dash पण दिला होता sir.
A dash B dash नाही हो. A dash C dash.
62, sir.
I told A dash C dash आहे वाचकड.
A dash C dash बघा 60 आलं sir.
60. तुम्ही कुठली सांगितली? A dash B dash सांगितली का? Which you have told? Okay, just I have cross checked. Are you drawing or not? I am going to cross check and I am going to note down. Shilpa Mali,
Yes, sir.
will you tell you have you solved this problem?
Yes, sir. 64 आली आहे.
Okay. B dash C dash सांगू शकता का किती? What is your length? B dash C dash. Will you measure and tell? Be confident.
1 minute.
हा मेजर करा आणि सांगा किती. B dash C dash. How much it is?
56.
How much?
56.
56. Any other? B dash C dash.
46.
Yes, 46, sir.
49.
47.
49.
40.
47 is accurate. Mali, you check where you have committed mistake. Lot of variation. Once again, please check. You might have committed mistake somewhere. The exact is 47. So you be sincere while drawing. You should not commit the mistake. This much variation is not allowed. 1 or 2 degree, okay. 1 or 2 degree, it is okay. Okay. Shall we go next? Any problem in this 3-stage problem?
No, sir.
Shall we go next? Or shall
Yes,
we
yes,
take
sir.
break for 10 minutes? Break घ्यायचा का 2 प्रॉब्लेम घेऊन पास करायचं? 1 or 2?
Yes, sir. Continue.
सर कंटिन्यू करा एकदम प्रॉब्लेम करून बस करू.
Continue, sir.
Okay, we will continue 1 or 2 problem, then we will stop. At what time our day is last lecture is over? At what time? 43. 4:30?
445.
45.
4:45.
Yes, sir.
1 or 2 problem we will solve, then we will stop. I will give a little break earlier. Don't worry. Okay. Now who will read this? Anmol, 32. 32. Kasbi. 32. Horrible situation. 32. Rohan, Golab. 72. 72. Most horrible. Gaurav, Wag. 68. Problem
Yes, sir.
फक्त वाचायचं. काय करायचं नाही. Only you can read the problem, nothing else.
Yes, sir.
हा.
Draw the projection of a regular hexagonal plane of 30 mm. Side has one of its side in HRP and inclined at 45 degree to the FRP, and its surface of the plane is inclined at 45 degree with the HRP. Draw its projection.
Okay, very good. What does it mean by FRP and HRP? What is long form of FRP?
Horizontal reference plane.
Horizontal plus
FRP? Yep,
Frontal reference
frontal
plane.
reference plane.
Reference plane.
very good. Frontal reference plane. Now, by reading the problem statement, what it is given, which type of plane is given?
Regular hexagon.
Huh?
Hexagonal.
Hexagonal plane is given. How much its side is given?
30 mm.
30 mm.
30 mm side is given. Where is this plane? In HP or in FP? HRP or FRP? Where it is? Where is this plane? Is it in HRP or it is in FRP?
HRP,
HRP. How?
because one of its sides is in HRP side.
Very good. One of its side is in HRP means that plane is in HRP. Ek by it means something like this. One of the side is in HRP. Means total plane is in HRP. It should not happen. One side is in HRP and remaining sides are in FRP. This is not happening something like this. So as one of the side of it is in HRP means total plane is in HRP. Now next question. Where true shape of the plane will come? In HRP or in FRP?
HRP.
HRP.
In HRP, its true shape will come. Next one. Now, inclination. Now, how to see inclination? Now, if you will read this is university problem. It was asked for 10 marks. 10 markaचा universityचा problem आहे हा. Next now, after that, and inclined at 45 degree to the FRP. कोण inclined आहे 45 degree FRP ला? This much you can read.
Plane.
Who is inclined, plane or side? That is most important. काय वाचलंय बघा व्यवस्थित जर problem statement if you read very carefully you will come to know that who is inclined at 45 degree to the FRP, plane or side?
Side.
Side.
Now here your English communication will come into picture. It is not the inclination of plane, it is inclination of side. If you read
Side.
the problem statement carefully, you will come to know that that is the inclination is given of that side, not
Side.
of that plane. That 45 is the inclination of side. Okay, and it's further it is given its surface of the plane. Surface means plane only. Its surface of the plane is inclined at 45. Fortunately, here both angles are 45. So again, we can say fortunate thing, both angles are 45. If at all you will confuse, then also you will not commit mistake. म्हणजे जर चुकायचं ठरवलं तरी सुद्धा इथे चुकू शकणार नाहीत. Why? Because both inclinations are 45. With the
45
VP it is
degree.
45. With HP it is 45. Shall we change inclination with HP? Because it may be confused. Here I will change. I will make it is 40. Though it is university problem, we will make it is 40. I will make it 40. With the HP it is 40, with the VP it is 45. Miss it. Once you will read the problem, you will come to know that. Okay. Shall we start now to draw? Okay, where we are going to draw a true shape of this hexagon?
In HP.
In HP. Who will guide me to draw hexagon in top view? Or in HRP? Who will guide me? First, what I have to draw?
Circle of 30 mm
circle
radius.
काढायचं HRP.
Who will tell a circle of how much?
30
30
mm
mm radius.
radius चा.
30 mm radius I have drawn now. Next, what I have to? After drawing circle, what I have to do?
Vertical and horizontal line.
One
With
horizontal and
center.
one vertical line. One horizontal, one vertical line. Okay. You can draw with me. Also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, what I have to do? After this, what I have to do?
Take distance of 30 mm.
Okay, equal to radius. And where to put the one of the end of compass? On a vertical line or on a horizontal line?
On horizontal line.
If I will put horizontal line, what it will come towards left hand side, corner or side? Earlier problem, I have kept my one of the end of compass on horizontal line. In that case, what was came? towards left hand side in this problem?
Corner.
Corner.
Corner. But now in this problem, whether corner is in HP or side is in HP?
Side.
Side means where I have to keep my one of the end of compass, on vertical line or horizontal line?
Vertical.
Vertical. I should keep on vertical. Put it on a vertical and draw it. So in this way, you can draw it. So for your information, I will retain the arc. You can draw with our regular method. Okay. So I join these 6 points. You will get hexagon. So from this to this, then vertical, then this corner, then this. Okay. Have you got hexagon in this way, whose one of the end is vertical? You can take your time, no problem. First, we have to draw one hexagon. Once you will draw, you can tell me.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Complete, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
So have you given name to the hexagon? If not, give names. A, B, C, D. So which side is towards left hand, most left hand side? Which of the side is towards most left hand side? In your
AB.
case,
AB.
AB. In other words, I will ask which side is in HP of this hexagon?
AB.
AB. Side AB is in, means till the end. This side will remain on XY line. This side should remain in XY line. Okay. So this completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 14, 14, 23, 23. $36, 36, 65. Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed. Of you.
Completed.
Okay. Shall we go next? What to do now? Who will tell?
Projection lines.
Projection
We
line.
have to draw projection line. We have to draw projection lines. Okay, vertically. So draw projection line now. So just check whether your point D and E is coming on one line.
Yes, sir.
Is it coming on only? Are you getting only 3 projection lines or more than 3?
3, sir.
Only 3. You should get only 3. Yeah? You should not get more than 3. Are you getting only 3?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Only 3 projection lines, and you can mark points now. You can mark points now.
A dash, B dash.
There will be which point? A
A
dash.
dash, B dash.
B dash.
Okay, A dash, B dash. Okay, here there will be A dash, B dash. Here there will be which point?
C dash, F dash.
F dash.
F dash,
C dash.
F dash, C dash. Here there will be which point?
E dash, D
D
dash.
dash, E dash.
D dash,
E dash.
E dash.
D dash, E dash. Okay, so what I got here in this view?
True
What
shape.
I got?
True shape.
Where is true shape?
Line
True shape,
view.
right? It is line view. Whatever I got, it is a line view right now. True shape I got here. So as I told true shape, I will write here true shape. But here it is in top view. Here I will write true shape. As you have told true shape, it is true shape. Okay. This is my true shape. Okay. This is our first step. What we are calling to first step?
To
What
draw
we-
the true shape.
True shape. By default, we have to draw true shape. That is our first step, we can say. Next now, stage number 1. What we are doing in stage number 1, 2?
Inclination.
Inclination. Now line view with, we are having line view. Okay. How much it is inclined? This particular plane, inclination of surface or plane is inclined with how much angle?
40
It's
degree.
40.
How much?
40.
40.
With
40
H.
degree means for this plane means line view. That line view we have to make it inclined. So how much is line? How much degree?
40 degrees.
40.
40. So we can draw one line. We can draw one line making angle of how much? 40, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
40. Okay, and on this we can mark all the points. On this we can mark all the points. Before that we should give angle. This angle is most important. How much it is? 40. It should be 40 because inclination is given 40. Correct. Now points we have to locate. Point we have to locate, nothing else. We have to locate the point. Correct.
Yes.
So locate the point by using compass. Take help of compass and you can Have you located points on that 40-degree line? A dash, B dash, A, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After that, what we have to do?
Projection line.
Projection lines.
Projection lines. How will be
Vertically
projection line?
downward.
Downward.
Vertically downward.
Vertically downward will be projection line. So let us take vertically downward projection line. Take vertically downward projection line. Okay, vertically downward projection lines we have to take. Okay. Then again, what we can do?
Horizontal projection lines.
Horizontal projection.
Horizontal projection lines. Again, we have to take horizontal projection line. Okay. So again, you can take horizontal projection. How many projection lines you are going to get? Just
4.
4. You are going to get 4 projection line in this way. Okay. Then locate the point. You can locate the point. So you can locate the point. Okay, locate the point now. So here will be point C. Projection line you have to see. Horizontal, vertical. Vertical C dash projection line. Horizontal point C. Similarly, all points you can locate. All. Point B. If you will take point B, it will be here. Very simple. Only carefully you have to locate. Only carefully. Point D. You have to locate. It will be here. Then point A. It will be here. Okay. Then point E. It will be here. And last point is F. It will be here. So all 6 points we have located. Only intersection, nothing else. Only intersection of horizontal and vertical projection line. Only horizontal and vertical projection line, and its intersection. Okay. Once we got this, what we have to do?
Join.
Join all the points. We have to join all the points. Okay. So join it by dark line again. We have to join it by dark line. From A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to G, and F to A. So your shape will be something like this. Please see, are you getting a shape something like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can join and you can check. Are you getting shape something like this? Or
Yes, sir.
have you got this shape?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we cross check with ourselves?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this stage, which two lanes will be in our apparent shape? Which two lanes will be same as true shape? याच्यामधल्या 6 पैकी 2 लेंथ अशा आहेत की त्या सेमच आहेत ट्रू शेप एवढ्या.
AB and
Which are-
AD.
AB and ED.
Very good. AB and ED will remain same, but others are going to change. So all will be same again. Whatever apparent lengths are there, again it will be same. So can anybody tell what is the length of CD in apparent shape? Let us cross check with ourselves. Shall I ask again roll number 70? Have you completed?
Yes, sir. 25.
Okay, yours is 25. Any other?
Yes, sir.
25.
25.
24.
24, 24, sir.
25. Okay. 24 is also correct. Don't worry. Very good. Roll number 70. Congratulations. Now you got good result. 25.
25.
25 is the correct answer. 24, 26 is also okay. If at all you will get, it is also okay. Now, up to this, how many stages we have completed?
2 stage.
Two stages. Now, third stage means inclination of the plane with one of the reference plane we have given here. Okay. With in second stage, inclination with which plane we have given?
With VP.
With VP. Inclination of with VP. How much it was given?
45.
45.
What I have asked right now question, inclination with whom? सेकंड स्टेज मध्ये आपण कुठलं इन्क्लिनेशन दिलेलं आहे प्लेनला? सेकंड स्टेज कंप्लीट केली आपण आता. जस्ट नाउ वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड सेकंड स्टेज. इन दिस स्टेज
With HP.
HP. With HP.
with HP we have given, no? With HP we have given, and how much we have given?
40 degree.
40.
40 degree.
480 degree. Okay. Now third stage. Third stage. What is now third stage? Inclination with VP. पण पुन्हा तो दिले आपल्याला inclination with VP.
Side.
Side.
Inclination of side.
Which side? कुठली स्लाइड? की जी HRP मध्ये आहे. म्हणजे आता काय करावं लागेल सांगा बरं? काय करावं लागेल? It is given 45 degree. So what to do right now? What to do right now? Who will tell? कोण सांगताय? 45.
AB ला रोटेट करायचं.
Very good. Line AB we have to rotate such that. कशी रोटेट करायची? की त्या AB लाईन ने किती अँगल कोणाशी केला पाहिजे?
45 degree with VP.
Very good. That AB should make 45 degree angle with VP. आता आपल्याला हा व्ह्यू जो आपल्याला अपॅरंट शेप भेटलेला आहे, जो आपल्याला अपॅरंट शेप भेटलेला आहे, हा शेप आपल्याला असा रोटेट करायचा आहे नेक्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये. या लाईन AB ने किती अँगल केला पाहिजे? 45 विथ VP. विथ VP. त्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल हो आपल्याला? एक लाईन काढावं लागेल. एक लाईन काढावं लागेल इथं. किती अँगलची लाईन काढावं लागेल?
45.
45.
45 with whom?
VP.
With VP.
With
VP.
VP. Like this one line we have to draw here. Most little complicated step I will say. Here you have to rotate the view. इथं आपल्याला आता व्ह्यू रोटेट करायचा आहे. Here we want to rotate the view so that line AB will make AB will make how much? Angle?
45 degree with VP.
45 with VP. म्हणजे हा जो व्ह्यू दिसतोय का एवढा याला रोटेट करायचा आहे आता. दिस यू वॉन्ट टू रोटेट. This you want to rotate. Okay. So now most challenging here, whatever length of AB is there, AB, whatever length of AB is there, you can take it here and you can rotate and you can. So what I will do, so this AB, take in compass somewhere here and mark here on this, mark here in this way. Okay. So this point AB you can mark here somewhere. Don't worry. You should not mark somewhere something like this, so that remaining point will go above XY line. Try to mark below something like this. अशी खाली mark करा, so that point will come here somewhere something like this. इकडे येतील राहिलेले point. आता कसे मार्क करणार तुम्ही सांगा बरं. हा, suppose you want to mark a point F. Point F mark करायचा आहे. How you are going to mark it? A little challenging
A
step.
to F distance.
हा बरोबर आहे, सांगा. A to F.
डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं कंपास मध्ये.
हा, A to F घेतलं, पुढे काय करणार?
मार्क करायचं.
हा, देन A to F घेतलं, इथं कुठंतरी एक आर्क येईल भेटेल, परत काय करायचं?
F to E.
F to E कसं घेणार? F पॉइंट तुम्ही कुठं मार्क करणार इथं? आता बघा, इथं A to F घेतलं, तुम्ही F पॉइंट कसा हवेतच घेणार का? देर शुड बी सम इंटरसेक्शन. अजून एक डिस्टन्स पाहिजे आपल्याला, म्हणजे आपण मार्क करू. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. आता सध्या आपल्याकडे कुठले दोन पॉइंट आहेत? A आणि B आहे का आपल्याकडं? आहे का? A आणि B दोन पॉइंट आहेत.
Sir.
A to F घ्यायचं. हा,
जर
B
का
to
आपण
C नंतर
30 mm ची ही घेतली
आणि
सर,
C आणि
सर्कल काढायचं सर.
नाही नाही
ए
बघा,
पासून परपेंडिक्युलर आणि बी पासून परपेंडिक्युलर.
नाही. इकडे बघा, आपल्याला ए बी अंतर माहिती, मी कुठे एक मार्क केलं एका ठिकाणी. आता काय करायचं? ए पासून एफ पर्यंत डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं कंपास मध्ये, एक आर्क काढायचा. बी पासून एफ पर्यंत डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं, आर्क काढायचं इंटरसेक्टिंग. तिथं कुठला पॉइंट असेल? कुठला पॉइंट असेल?
F.
ए पासून एफ, तसे सगळे पॉइंट मार्क करायचे. परत तुम्ही घेऊ शकता. परत एफ पॉइंट माहित झाला, परत एफ टू ई घ्या, बी टू ई घ्या, मार्क करा. पॉइंट ई भेटला. परत ई टू डी घ्या, बी टू डी घ्या, बी कॉमन ठेवायचा. लाईक दिस यू कॅन मार्क ऑल द रिमेनिंग
तर ए
पॉइंट.
आणि बी ला परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन काढले चालत नाही.
ए आणि बी ला परपेंडिक्युलर काढल्या, काय करायचं? काढून पुढं परपेंडिक्युलर
ए
इकडे
आणि ई डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं.
ए आणि ई,
ए आणि ई चं बी आणि
बी आणि डी. ओके. आणि एफ आणि ई सी चं काय करायचं मग? एफ आणि सी
ए
राहणार ना.
आणि ई पूर्ण आर्क
हा,
ए पासून आर्क मारायचा आणि ई पासून आर्क मारायचा.
चालतंय, ते सुद्धा चालतंय. नो इश्यू. That is also correct. If you want to take, choice is yours. Many more things are there to draw this. Once you will get point A and B here, you can mark that. ते सुद्धा चालतंय, no issue. That is also correct. If you want to go. इथे एक लक्षात की हा रोटेट कसा करायचा व्ह्यू? With the help of compass. One of the method just now somebody has told is this. इकडे काय करा म्हटले? 90 डिग्री म्हटला ना तुम्ही? इन दिस वे.
Yes,
इकडे
sir.
90 करा, चालतंय. आणि हे डिस्टन्स मार्क करा म्हटले, काय असेल ते तुमचं. नो इश्यू. दॅट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. आता काय करा? ए पासून कंपासच्या डिस्टन्स मध्ये घेऊन ते मार्क करा याच्यामध्ये कुठं आहे. यू विल गेट पॉइंट ई अँड डी. वन्स यू विल गेट पॉइंट ई अँड डी, चॉइस इज युअर्स. वन्स यू विल गेट सपोज हिअर पॉइंट ई अँड डी, परत कंपास मध्ये एफ चं डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं, ई पासून आणि ए पासून मार्क करायचं. सिमिलरली पॉइंट सी, इफ यू वांट टू मार्क, टेक डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम बी अँड डी, मार्क. लाईकवाईज चॉइस इज युअर्स, हाऊ यू आर गोइंग टू मार्क. तुम्हाला फ्रीडम आहे. तुम्ही कसं मार्क करताय? आर यू गोइंग टू मार्क हिअर? आय कॅनॉट मार्क. दॅट्स वाय आय एम टेलिंग हिअर. विल यू मार्क? आलं का लक्षात? नाही
No, sir.
आलं नाही. हे बघा परत बघा. our aim is to get, आपल्याला ए बी ने 45 केला पाहिजे म्हणून मी एक 45 डिग्रीची लाईन काढली. त्याच्यावरती कुठंही एनिवेअर यू कॅन ड्रॉ लेंथ ए बी ऑन दिस. मी इथं काढली बघा एवढी. वॉट एव्हर इट इज लेंथ इज हाऊ मच? आय थिंक 40 का 30? किती आहे ते?
40.
30.
30 का 40?
30.
30. So whatever that length there, I have drawn it. Whatever length, so I will check whether I have drawn. So this length I have drawn here, 30. Okay. After this, I want to locate. आता मला इथं मी दाखवतोय तुम्हाला. एवढ्या इथं मला काय करायचं? हा अपॅरेंट शेप तिथं द्यायचा आहे. आला पाहिजे तिथे अपॅरेंट शेप. आता मला कुठला पॉइंट मार्क करायचा? एफ पॉइंट मार्क करायचा. एफ. आय वॉन्ट टू मार्क पॉइंट एफ. ए पासून एफ पर्यंत डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं कंपास मध्ये, एक आर्क मार्क करायचं. मी मोजतो आता इथं एक पॉइंट घेऊन दाखवतो तुम्हाला. एफ हे डिस्टन्स किती आहे मी बघतो. माझं 25. मी इथं सर्कल काढतो 25चा. तुम्ही आर्क काढा. मी सर्कल काढतो इथं. ए सेंटर घेऊन मी 25चा आर्क काढला असं इमॅजिन करा. सिमिलरली मी बी पासून एफ चं डिस्टन्स किती आहे बघणार. बी टू एफ हे डिस्टन्स किती आहे? 49 माझ्या केसमध्ये. यू कॅन मार्क दॅट आर्क. तुमच्याकडे कंपास आहे, डायरेक्ट एक आर्क काढू शकता. इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दिस टू, याचं इंटरसेक्शन घ्यायचं आणि हा पॉईंट जोडायचा. इथं आला पॉईंट एफ. तुमचा कुठला पॉईंट आला इथं? एफ. मला एक पॉईंट मिळाला. आय गॉट हिअर पॉईंट एफ. ओके, याच्या लक्षात एफ आला. 2 आर्क घेतले मी. आता मी अजून रिटेन करतो तुमच्या माहितीसाठी. फक्त बाकीचे करतो तेवढंच ठेवतो. काय केलं मी? लक्षात आलं का तुमच्या? एफ पॉइंट कसा घेतला? एफ 2 डिस्टन्स घेतले. कुठून कुठे घेतले?
A to F and B to F.
A to F and B to F. I can mark F point. Now to mark point E, you are having choice. A to E घ्या आणि B to E घ्या. No issue. You can take likewise. येतंय का लक्षात? किंवा तुम्ही A पासून परपेंडिक्युलर काढा, तेवढं डिस्टन्स बघा की ते मार्क करा. Choice is yours. लक्षात येतंय का? This is challenging thing in this. So A to E, I will check how much it is. मी आर्क मेथडने जातो. मला A to E मी किती आहे बघतो. माझा आहे 40.
F to E आणि B to E चालत नाही का?
तरीही चालतंय. देन ऑल्सो ओके. तरीही चालतंय. मला E पॉइंट घ्यायचा आहे. इथं पॉइंट मला मिळाला पॉइंट ई. आय गॉट हिअर पॉइंट ई. I got point E here. You can take your reference, no problem. मला इथं पॉइंट मिळाला E. So I can join it. मी तो जॉइन करून घेतो. From this intersection to this. This to this point E. Okay. जमतंय का? काय चाललंय?
सर ये कसा काढला?
हा?
ई
पॉइंट आता ए आणि बी फिक्स ठेवा तुम्ही. ए आणि बी तुमच्याकडे पॉइंट आहेत. आता एफ सुद्धा मिळालाय तुम्हाला, तरी पण ए आणि बी ठेवा. पासून ईचं अंतर घ्या कंपास मध्ये, एक आर्क काढा. बी पासून ईचं अंतर घ्या, दुसरा इंटरसेक्टिंग आर्क काढा. तुम्हाला पॉईंट ई भेटेल. येते लक्षात?
येस
ए आणि बी फिक्स, ए आणि बी फिक्स ठेवा, ए आणि बी बदलू नका सारखं, त्यामुळे तुम्ही कन्फ्युज होणार. बघा असा भेटेल पॉईंट ई. आता पुढचा पॉईंट कुठला आहे आपला? ई नंतर कुठला इकडे पॉईंट डी.
D.
आता डी चे डिस्टन्स कुठल्या दोन पॉईंट पासून घेणार तुम्ही?
A to D and B to D.
ए टू डी आणि बी टू डी दोन आर्क काढणार. ते आर्क कसे झाले पाहिजेत? एकमेकांना इंटरसेक्ट झाले पाहिजेत.
Intersect.
इंटरसेक्ट घ्या, दोन आर्क घ्या आणि पॉईंट डी काढा. लक्षात येतंय का? मला इथं अंतर मोजावं लागतंय, तुम्ही डायरेक्ट कंपास मध्ये घेऊ शकता. 50 आणि पॉईंट डी चं डिस्टन्स कुठल्या दोन पॉईंट पासून घेणार? ए पासून डी, बी पासून डी. तुम्हाला पॉईंट कुठला भेटेल? विच पॉईंट
D.
यू विल गेट? पॉईंट डी. आता राहिला कुठला पॉईंट?
C.
पॉईंट सी. आणि ते दोन पॉईंट लगेच जोडून पण घेऊ शकता. इमिजिएटली यू कॅन जॉईन दीज टू पॉईंट्स. ओके, यू कॅन जॉईन दॅट. नेक्स्ट वन. कुठला पॉईंट राहिला आता आपला?
C.
Point C. Only point C is remained. Okay. So from which two points you are going to take distance?
A and B.
A and B. So from A and B, from the point A and B, you can take distance. I will check how much it is. 429. Intersection of these two points, which will be that point?
Point C.
Point C. So here I will give name as a C. Immediately I can join this B to C and D to C. Immediately I can join these points. Okay, this to this and this to this. So in this stage what I have did, त्या स्टेज मध्ये काय केलं हो मी? What is this stage?
Inclination of side with VP.
Inclination of one of the side with 50. How much that inclination is?
45 degree.
45. Okay. Whether this stage is completed?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood how to just apparent shape we have rotated? या स्टेप मध्ये आपण रोटेट केलं, नथिंग एल्स. तुकाराम पटवारी. पटवारी.
Yes, sir.
शिवाजी लवटे 48. सिद्धी 41. Ankita, where is Anisha?
Sir,
Completed rotation of this view.
नो सर ए पासून पुढचे पॉइंट नाही समजले.
which E पासून पुढचे suppose you want to locate point D. हा पॉइंट लोकेट करायचा आहे तुम्हाला. इकडे बघा या शेप मधला ए पासून डी पर्यंत डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं. हे बघा हे इथून एवढं डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं कंपास मध्ये ए टू डी by taking center A, mark here arc. This arc I have marked. Similarly, D to B distance you have to take in compass. This distance, this to this. B हा सेंटर घ्यायचा, त्याला इंटरसेक्टिंग आर्क मार्क करायचा, तो आर्क असा असेल. दोन्हीचे इंटरसेक्शन म्हणजे पॉइंट डी. Likewise, in this way you can mark all points by taking रेफरन्स ऑफ पॉइंट ए अँड बी. ए आणि बी चा रेफरन्स घ्यायचा, बाकीचे सगळे पॉइंट असे मार्क करायचे इन दिस वे बाय टेकिंग आर्क. असे तुमचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन दिसते का तुमच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये? आर्क दिसतेत का? असे इंटरसेक्टिंग आर्क आहेत का सेम और समथिंग डिफरंट? ज्ञानेश्वर 23. ज्ञानेश्वर. ओम दीक्षित. सार्थक लोखंडे. हा काय म्हटलं? सायली. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
येस सर.
ओके. क्वेश्चन विचारलं फक्त ऑडिबल नाही का मी? राणी, सॉरी संध्या राणी. इंगळे.
Yes, sir.
Have you solved? Whether this stage is completed? Complete झाली का स्टेज ही?
येस
परत सांगू दे एकदा. लक्षात आलंय का? होय तरी म्हणा, नाही तर नाही तरी म्हणा.
Yes, sir.
सर ती स्टेज रिपीट करता का?
ही आत्ताची का? इकडे बघा परत एकदा. हे बघा, आपल्याला लाईन ए बी चं 45 डिग्री इन्क्लिनेशन विथ 50 द्यायचं आहे. म्हणून एक लाईन काढली 45 डिग्री विथ 50. त्याच्यावरती रॅन्डमली तुम्ही ए बी पॉईंट घ्या कुठेही. तुम्हाला हे डिस्टन्स माहिती आहे की ते ए बीचं हे डिस्टन्स 40 आहे. सॉरी 30 आहे का 40? 30. ते 30 इन्क्लिनेशन इथं द्यायचं 30. आता ए आणि बी पॉईंट तुमच्याकडे आहे. आता फार बेसिक बघा, मला तर वाटतं 8वीत असेल असलं. 8वीत, 8वी 8th क्लास. 2 पॉईंट आहे तुमच्याकडे. तिसरा पॉईंट मार्क करायचा आहे तुम्हाला आणि त्या पॉईंटचं दोन्ही पॉईंट पासून डिस्टन्स माहितीये का? एफ ह्या पॉईंटचं इकडे बघा, ह्या व्ह्यू मध्ये लक्ष. 2 पॉईंट आहेत तुमच्याकडे. ए आणि बी आहे तुमच्याकडे. हा पॉईंट आणि हा पॉईंट आहे, ए आणि बी. आणि एफ चं डिस्टन्स माहितीये तुम्हाला. काय करणार तुम्ही? कंपास मध्ये ए पासून एफ पर्यंत डिस्टन्स घेणार, आर्क काढणार. परत बी पासून एफ चं डिस्टन्स घेणार. इकडे बघा, मी कुठे तर दाखवतो. दिसतंय का तुम्हाला? इकडं बी पासून एफ चं डिस्टन्स घेणार, दुसरा आर्क मार्क करणार. तो झाला तुमचा पॉईंट एफ. इंटरसेक्शन झाला पॉईंट एफ. असेच सगळे पॉईंट मार्क करायचे. परत ईचं, ए पासून ईचं डिस्टन्स घेणार, एक आर्क काढणार. बी पासून ईचं डिस्टन्स घेणार, दुसरा आर्क काढणार. तुम्हाला 2 आर्क भेटतील. दोन्हीचे इंटरसेक्शन म्हणजे पॉईंट ई. सिमिलरली पॉईंट डी, ए पासून डी चं डिस्टन्स घेणार इथं. हे बघा, डिस्टन्स घेणार, एक आर्क. बी पासून डी चं डिस्टन्स, दुसरा आर्क. आता काय प्रॉब्लेम? असे सगळे 4 पॉईंट राहिलेले 4 पॉईंट असे मार्क करायचे. आलं का लक्षात?
येस सर.
After this, once one view only is remained, only one. So what we can do in that view? Draw projection line vertically from all the points. From all the points, we have to draw vertical projection line in this way. Draw it. We have to draw projection line from this view vertically. So how many projection lines are coming? You can tell me. बघा बरं किती येते. How many projection lines will come? Just tell me.
6.
6.
4.
6 different lines. 4.
6 सर.
6 येते.
सर प्रत्येकाची वेगळी येणार ना प्रोजेक्शन लाईन?
हा,
6 सर 6
प्रत्येकाची वेगळी येणार.
6 येणार सर.
6 येतात का बघा. 6 यायला पाहिजे. 4 कोणाचे आलेत? 38.
Yes, sir.
किती आलेत? 6 यायला पाहिजेत. लाईक दिस इट शुड बी 6. तुमचे ए आणि एफ ओव्हरलॅप
sir.
झाले. ए आणि एफ
आलेत, sir.
ओव्हरलॅप 6 or 4.
6.
6. It should come 6. 6 different lines should come. 6 different lines should come. And for your information, that you can give here how we have given this reference line. Okay. Likewise, 6 different lines. Similarly now, आता काय करावं लागेल?
Horizontal projection line.
Horizontal projection line. Now horizontal projection line. From this point, again from this, and another line will come along XY line. Another will come along XY line. So from line AB. इकडून कशी येणार? Along XY. So this projection line. Now intersection and giving names. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? त्याचे इंटरसेक्ट झालेत बघायचं आणि पॉइंट मार्क करायचे आहेत. जस्ट वी वॉन्ट टू मार्क अ पॉइंट, नथिंग एल्स. वी वॉन्ट टू मार्क अ पॉइंट. आपल्याला पॉइंट मार्क करायचे आहेत. व्हेरी केअरफुली. व्हेरी व्हेरी केअरफुली. एवढ्या प्रोजेक्शन लाईन काढून घ्या पहिल्यांदा. काढल्या? हॉरिझॉन्टल किती आल्या प्रोजेक्शन लाईन? हॉरिझॉन्टल
3.
3.
हॉरिझॉन्टल 3, व्हर्टिकल 6. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? पॉइंट मार्क करायचे केअरफुली. दॅट इज टू बी अ केअरफुली. दिस इज प्रॉब्लेम फ्रॉम युनिव्हर्सिटी एक्झाम. सो यू कॅन चेक इट्स डिफिकल्टी. नाउ आय वॉन्ट टू मार्क पॉइंट ए. ए ची प्रोजेक्शन लाईन बघायची. हॉरिझॉन्टल व्हर्टिकल कुठं असेल पॉइंट ए? XY लाईन वरती येईल का?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It will be on. It will be on A dash.
XY.
Point will be on XY. So XY वरती आला. ठीक आहे. Point B. I want to mark point B. Where it will be?
On
Again it will
XY.
be. Again it will be on XY. Again it will be on XY. Okay. Point C. Middle. Point C. Lucas, point C. Next, point D. Point D. You can mark point D also. Point D dash. We can give name as a point D dash. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Next one is. It will be next point.
E dash.
E dash. Next will be E dash. You can mark that. E dash. Which will be next point?
F dash.
F dash.
F dash. Very careful, yeah. F dash. Which is near to very carefully. Have you located the points?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once we will locate the point, what is our last step? To join these points.
Join.
Correct. Join it. So A dash point, very carefully you have to say where it is. So it is on XY. Then you have to see point B dash. Again it is on XY. Then point C dash. You have to see here. Then point C dash. It is inside.
Sir, at.
Very good. It is inside, huh? Okay. Then here D dash, no? Okay.
Yes.
Then E dash is here. Then F dash.
F dash.
Inside. Yes. And finally, like this.
A dash.
A dash. So have you got such shape?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, it is apparent shape, huh? And final shape. It is final position of plane, I will say. It is final position of the plane where I have apparent shape. Have you got this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So projection line is very important. So whatever you got this, so it is your final step. Any problem? University type problem. Have you got
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any problem? So this is our aim. So whatever yellow colored you are observing, shall I make here also yellow? So that is our final view. One by one, whatever we are marking, no, it is that view in this way. Second, three-stage problem, we will say. Have you understood? So please note down this very important problem. Please note down this, huh? Very important. Please take screenshot. You can see afterwards how it is. All projection lines direction I have shown, and final shape. So which side is remaining in HP? Likewise, a problem statement is given. Which side is in HP?
AB.
AB. So in final view, whether side AB is remaining in HP?
Yes, sir.
राहते का शेवटपर्यंत AB साइड ही फ्रंट व्ह्यू मध्ये कुठं आहे XY च्या लाईन मध्ये आहे.
Yes.
इट इज इन HP. फायनल पर्यंत ती AB च्या बाहेर जाऊ नये आणि अपॅरंट शेपला 6 पेक्षा जास्त किंवा 6 पेक्षा कमी बाजू येऊ नये. सो यू कॅन चेक क्रॉस चेक. इथे मार्क वगैरे करताना आपला हेक्सागॉन पेंटागॉन मध्ये कन्वर्ट होऊ नये. दॅट थिअरी हाऊ टू टेक सॉल्विंग hexagonal problem should not convert into pentagonal problem. Understood?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you understood? Okay. Shall I give one homework, then we will stop?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You take this problem as a homework, then we will stop. Please note, or can somebody will read loudly so that we will stop? I can understand. 2.5 hours we are continuing. We will take opportunity. Sohail, will you read loudly? Then we will stop.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
A pentagonal plane of base side 30 mm is resting on one of its corner in HP. The plane is inclined to HP by 40 degree and the side in front of that corner is inclined to VP by 50 degree. Draw the projection of plane.
okay. So corner plane is, which type of plane is given? Few questions I will ask. Which type of plane is given in this problem?
Pentagonal.
Pentagonal with 30 mm side. Where it is resting? Is it on HP or in EVP?
HP.
HP.
Is it resting on one of the side or one of the corner?
One
One
of
of the corner.
corner.
One of the corner. That corner you are going to draw towards the left or towards right?
Towards
Left.
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 Towards left. Plane is inclined to HP by how much angle? With
40
HP,
degree.
40 degree. And 50 degree inclination is given of plane or one of the side?
Side.
One of the side which is in front of that corner. Now you have to check it, whether it is going to remain same length or changing length. If it is changing, then we have to find beta. If not, directly you can take 50. Shall we stop? Try to
Yes,
solve.
sir.
If not, definitely we will solve next lecture. So tomorrow's lecture will be taken by BEE, sir. BEE or double triple E, whatever. Electrical and whatever lecture. That lecture will be there. Shall we stop? Any problem?
No, sir.
Shall we stop with your
Yes,
permission?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will stop.
Yes, sir.